Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set alarm on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So at first open your clock. As you can see, showing you to alarm icon. So this is a alarm section. Press on to plus option. Okay, select the alarm time. Today to set. Select to every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and every day. Write alarm name. Press on save. If you want to customize, open to alarm sound, change ringtone. Okay. If you want to set ringtone from Spotify or Bixby alarm, from Spotify, select vibration, duration, to alarm group or alarm background. However, setup, press on done. That's it.